Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Nah. Dreadlock swinging your man. What that? Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No nice, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation hold me tight. Ganja light me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float pan rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature plane. Every puff a step more near to the inner world me hold so dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming, blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float pan rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright. Of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant of psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed. Like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon, no. Me just float, me eye like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath your sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate. Na chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning mist still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right inna me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal the inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge this space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space. Only love and Jah grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me on a herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors for me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed. Na 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 na. Rasta man smoke ash all ya man. Yeah. Me step light on the road so cold. Inna the mist story unfold. Me wear no crown but me heart is gold. Me chant tunes that Babylon soul. Me face hidden but me soul shine bright. Me trot slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. Inna the shadows, me remain still. Listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion in the mist,
walking quiet but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. My voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. Inna the mist, me hold my mind.
Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah time, me nah move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear, but me walk with no worry near. Me urban sacred fi guide my pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deeper in a Zion grace. Me no play a game, me no play a man. Me live for roots, me live for plan.
All up, me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. All up,
me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep and it can't tame.
me a lion inna the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with song. Me walk in silence, stand my ground. Me no need crowd for know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift.
Me hear me elders inna the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion, no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevating holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life gets hard. Me speaking metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace.
As my feared in the fog, my strength remain like roots in soil after the rain. My lion spirit can't be killed. My fire not the mist still build.
Shine bright, me jump in a van, baseline strong, roots highway, me ride along, me destination just forward way, no worry, no clock, just Jah today, from Kingston Hills to Portland breeze, me drive with the rhythm, me soul at ease, on the roots highway, me ride, with me spliff and Riddim by me side. Me carry love, me drop distress. In all this livity, me manifest. Me foot steady, me heart stay true. Jah guide the way me always knew. From town to bush, me spirit fly. Pon the roots highway, me testify. Me pass youths pan roadside sell. Them eyes still bright, though life not swell. Me honk and wave, me send them light. Cause me know this world not always right. But me not dwell in pain too long. Me turn it to fire, me turn it to song. Me chant, me reason, me plant the seed. Rasta ride with faith, not greed. Me stop fi coconut, ital stew. Me link me bread and me whole of you. Me light up chalice under tree. Sweet smoke rise and me soul feel free. No rush, me take me time. Me life a poem, me words a rhyme. Every mile teach me more. Each turn me open a higher door. On the roots highway me roll. Me ride for the young and the old. Me bring vibration high and clean. Like mountain spring, me keep it green. Me burn down hate, me spread some love. Me chant to Jah who watch from above. Me ride the rhythm like tidal wave. Me spirit bold, me heart not cave. Me link a sister in a Negril side. She tell me stories of what she hide. Me say release it, let Jah hear. Cause every tear is strength fi bear. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon. Him tell me of Marcus and revolution. Me soak the words like root soak rain. Me ride with wisdom, not in vain. Sun a set now, sky on fire. Me feel the night and still inspire. Me light me spliff one more again. And sing me truth in soft refrain. Stars above, the silent sweet. Me heartbeat sync with Naya Bingy beat. Me give thanks for every turn. Cause even through dark me spirit burn. On the roots highway me glide. With good vibes as me only guide. Me nah need riches, nah need gold. Me carry roots, me carry soul. Me travel light, me travel wide. With reggae spirit as me ride. Me live it real, me joy stay high. Panja highway me reach the sky. Roots highway carry I home. Smoke in the wind, no more roam. Me ride the rhythm, me chant alone. Till Zion call, me reach me zone. Na na na, dawaj krutika sia. Vajska. No bill and no stress, ganja health my soul, yeah man. Raindrops fall on the zinc rooftop. We roll me spliff and not stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me all are calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. We float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no light. Just her and I. Real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash me clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together whole. Drip drop fall, we still feel peace. She hold me tight and then release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook ital food on fire coal. Coconut stew, warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key. But still she says she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams. Political youths and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibes stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. said me plant time, we got grow in just time. Each drop of rain, a blessing come. Each thunderclap, a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground, laugh like breeze and spin around. We sit and watch with grateful eye, thankful for love me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun for me face, chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jahan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth when never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Ay, 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 ay. Meditating at the Ganja Temple, yeah, man. Ay, 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 ay. Me rise with the sun upon me face. Me hear the drums in a sacred place. Barefoot walk through morning dew. Me feel Jah love in all me do. Banana tree and callaloo. Me pick me food, me heart feel true. Me no rush, me take me time. Every step a sacred rhyme. Inna the hills, me Me start me day, me chant me thanks, and then me pray. Rasta Road, I head so long, but me strong like Naya Bingy song. This a Rasta Road, me trod alone, but me spirit carry home. Ganja burn, me thoughts align, every step a link to divine. Sacred path, no shortcut here. Me forward with no doubt or fear. Me heart it drum, me soul it sing. In every breeze, me feel Jah King. Me meet a elder under fig tree. Him say, son, the road no free. You have to keep your soul intact, no matter how the world react. Him pass me chalice, me take a draw. Me vision clear, me overstand law. Not the law of man, but of nature true. Of balance roots and sky so blue. Me reason deep with ancient man. Him story stretch like desert sand. Him speak of struggle, him speak of peace, of how the herb brings soul relief. This a Rasta Road, me trod in love, guided by the stars above. It no easy, it no quick, but every mile me spirit pick. Every leaf a sacred sign, every stone a message divine. Me travel light, but me carry flame of Jah love, me chant him name. Night fall pon the hills again, me build a fire, me ease me brain. Me draw my pipe and look to sky, and hear the wind start testify. Me child it whisper, hold your way, keep firm and never stray. Me close me eyes and float inside, the universe now be me guide. Me dreams like rivers flow and bend, this journey it will never end. No destination, just vibration, a soul immersed in meditation. Me no eat no flesh, me mind stay clean. Me will a joy that can't be seen. It no come from wealth or pride, but from peace me feel inside. Me wash me locks in mountain stream, me live me truth, me hold me dream. Each sunrise bring a brand new song, me know this road will make me strong. Me chant alone, but not in vain, me voice is echo in Jah name. Each heartbeat drum, each breath a tone, me walk through Zion all alone. This a Rasta Road, me blaze it bright, me soul a torch, me steps a light. No fame me seek, just irie ground, where freedom's roots and love about. Ganja smoke rise to the moon, me soul it dance to ancient tune. Me journey long, but me never tire, me footsteps chant like Naya Bingy fire. Na ganja in a Vito struck your mum. Morning dew on me skin, sun arise like the fire we burn deep within. Me stretch out me hand to the east with a prayer. Jah guide me steps, me spirit in a clear air. Me roll a next spliff,
give thanks for the light. Me inhale wisdom, exhale fright. No worry pon me chest, no pain me a feel. Just loving on me blood and a heart we real. Lion heart meditation, me not stress no more. Me sit in a silence while Babylon roar. Smoke rise like spirit in a sacred flame. Rasta nah run, Rasta claim him name. Lion heart meditation, calm like the sea. Me soul in tune with the breeze and tree. From hills to the valley, me message spread. Me chant down fear, me lift up head. Me hear the ancestors whisper in a wind. Live right youth, don't follow sin. Them voice soft but powerful like drum. Each beat remind me where me come from. Me nah need crown or title or fame. Me treasure me peace more than name. Me chalice full, but me heart full of still. Me learn say silence teach more than skill. Jah, and me drift to higher plane. Me feel the love, wash me like rain. All the stress made like candle flame. Me no chase dollar, me no seek fame. Me chant by river, me walk through field. Me soul armored, Jah is me shield. Them can't reach high when me meditate. Them words fall flat, me levitate. Lion heart meditation, deep in a eye. Me spirit fly free like bird in sky. Me no lock up in a steel and chain. Me free from illusion, me free from pain. Me pot bubble up with pumpkin and roots. Me feet firm planted like tree with fruits. Me nah sip poison, me sip on tea from ganja bush and that neem tree. Me chant psalms in a twilight breeze. Me kneel in style, me pray with ease. The city cold, but the hillside warm. Me blessed by the sun, me protected from harm.
Ganja in a palm, it open my mind. Me see through illusion, me no longer blind. Them demon in a suit can't trick me again. Me read the signs, me know the pain. Me pass chalice to me brethren near. Each draw a bridge, each puff clear. We reason about life, we reason about soul. Me lyrics and love more precious than gold. Lion heart meditation, echo through night. Me glow in a dark, me carry the light. Lion heart meditation, strength from above. Me walk with the king, me trod with love.
Me inhale peace and exhale pain.
Lion heart strong, through sunshine and rain.
That meditation guide me like ancient flame.
Let me rise with the wind and I call your name.
Rasta brother is so high, man. Barefoot on the mountain road. Me carry no weight, me drop that load. Me heart clean, me mind so still. Me walk to Zion by Jah will. Me drum a beat from deep inside. Me chant fi make me spirit guide. Each step a prayer, each breath a song. Me know Jah presence all along. Me bona spliff fi clear the way. No worry reach me on this day. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Rasta move with the river flow. Rasta chant on holy land with staff and herb in a hand. Earth a speak and sky reply. We trod until we reach the high. Oh chant, oh chant. Jah on the trail. Him hide them deep like mystic tale. Him say youth keep your fire bright. No darkness can out Jah light. Me sight a lion in a grass. It not like it know me part. Me not fear no beast or sound. Me walk on sacred ancient ground. Smoke rise from me chillum cup. Wisdom rise, me soul erupt. Me no trod alone, me trod with vice. Each leaf a lesson, each step a choice. Oh, under the tree me sit and chant. River run cool and gallant. Meditation pon the rock. Hear the ticking of Jah clock. Oh, the herb whisper like mountain breeze. The forest dancing silent peace. Me higher self come out to play. Me reason with Jah every day. Rasta chant fi cleanse the soul. Each vibration make me whole. No palace, me nah need throne. Jah kingdom live in flesh and bone. Oh chant, oh chant. Let the fire plant. When the sun sink low on the hills, me light me fire, burn me chills. Stars align like ancient scroll. Jah message deep, me hear it all. Me no use phone, me use moonlight. Me read the sky in Jah own right. Me cook ital, me eat slow. The roots man wisdom always grow. Me rest me head on earth in bed. The forest sing, me not feel dread. Me journey long but spirit high. Me trod till Zion fill the sky. So if you hear me from afar, me voice a light, me word a star. Me not preach, me just reveal the power of love your heart can feel. Rasta chant not just a song. It aware, feel live strong. Smoke the herb, beat the drum. Meditate till kingdom come. Oh.
Hey, chocolate ash na me coco, yeah man. Me open me eye with the rising sun. Steam in a kettle, me day just begun. Me chant a psalms with the humble tone. Cause me know say Jah never leave me alone. Me step out barefoot pan a sacred land. Me feel the blessing from Jah own hand. Me hold me herb, me roll it slow. A meditation before me go. Steam rise up like the soul from fire. Me connect with life, me reach up higher. Spirit pure like spring-fed stream. Me blaze and float in a conscious dream. No rush, no race, no fear me show. Me roots deep down where true love grow. Steam and spirit, smoke and sky. Me reason with Jah as time roll by. Me walk in a bush with a staff in hand. Me pick me herbs from blessed land. Me sister smile and wave from field. She reap what Jah and nature yield. Me sit on that tree, me grind me leaf. I tell food cool, me soul find relief. Me light the chalice with holy flame and call upon Jah name, not in vain.
Herb is me prayer, me meditation. Natural doctor, no need prescription. Me burn the fire with love and peace. Me have a chant, fi war to cease. Rasta na promote no vanity. Me build up heart with clarity. Me use each breath fi truth and right. Me walk with Jah, me walk with life.
My time stew bubble in a K-pot. Me no eat that, me no touch rat. From earth to pot, me give me praise. Me full me belly, me mind it raise. Me teach me youth the sacred way. no poison tongue, no system play. We chant at dusk, we rise at dawn. For every lion, a lamb is born. Me link me brother by a riverside. We burn a spliff and reason why. Both universe and time and soul. Both Ojala is the only goal. He tell me tales from ancient time of kings and queens in sacred line. Me realize me crown is taught, and every man must battle fought. Steam rise up, carry me high above the matrix, beyond the sky. Me free me mind, me cleanse me fear. Jah voice me always here. So me ride with rhythm, plant me seed. Live in truth, not in greed. Steam and spirit, fire and flow. With Rasta Livity me grow. To light up the chalice, breathe in Jah sign. Time not real, but love divine. Steam and spirit, leaf and vine.
Oi, 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 Kaya. Smoke with Rasta, yeah, man. Rise up early, bird a sing. Me walk barefoot, me soul a wing. Me see creation in every leaf. The trees them whisper secret belief. From high the hills, me look below. Babylon still rush, but me move slow. Me no need the noise, me seek the calm. Me hold me chalice like sacred psalm. Roots and remedy, that are the key. In a every drop, me find clarity. Smoke rise up like ancient rite. Guide me soul in a Jah light. Roots and remedy, calm me mind. Heal me wounds from the daily grind. Me not run from pain, me face it wise. Me learn from roots, me grow and rise. Me cook up vital pan open flame. Me not eat death, me no play that game. Plant in a garden, me reap the truth. Me live off land since me was youth. Me drink sour sup and moringa leaf. Me use herbs for pain and grief. Them doctor can't sell me no pill. Me already find healing in the hill. Me sit still, listen breeze blow. The wind tell tale from long time ago. Them fight Rasta fi all we back, but we stay firm like tree pan track. Me see through Babylon TV screen, but me stay grounded, me stay clean. Me temple sacred, me chant me sound. Me spirit deeper than any battleground. Roots and remedy, me medicine. Me rise with herbs, me rise within. Smoke surround me like misty veil. Me spirit sail where truth prevail. Me burn a next spliff fi Jah name. Each puff remove illusion and shame. Me no need riches nor vanity, just wisdom and simplicity. Me play me rhythm, me skanking grace. Me find peace in a humble place. Them count gold, me count breath. Each drum me give thanks, feel life not death. Heartbeat drum, me move in trance. Me praise the most high in a every dance. Me crown not made of jewels or steel, but me wear roots like shield and seal. Me chant at night, me float like breeze. Me burn all doubt and live in peace. Me no follow trend or fashion clone. Me style ancient, me stand alone. Roots and remedy, that are me way. Me meditate through night and day. Inna the herb, me find release. Me walk with lion, me tread in peace. Roots and remedy, balance divine. Me hold the herb like sacred sign. No fear, no hate, just melody. Me higher self set, me spirit free. meet ya under moonlight sway. In a corner where the incense play. You had eyes like African storm. Me soul get warm, me heart transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave. Like star and fire, Jah children brave. High on love so naturally. You and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise. Just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chant in tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like Riddim in a Naya bingi. Like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote. The bass line steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love and that's enough. Even when the road gets rough. With you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean. More real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one. Forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of fruits and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend. Not just a fling, this not pretend. High on love. Not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame. Soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far. Like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far. In this life and every part.
Ganja, ganja. Ay, ay, ay. Coconut bong. Yeah, man.
Sunrise peak through the coconut trees. Me give thanks while me feel the breeze. Me like the herb, me sip me tea. Me mind connect to the Almighty. It's not religion, it's livity true. Me no follow man, me follow Jah view. Bare footsteps pan Mother Earth. Each one sacred, each one worth. Me move with the rhythm of nature. Slow, one breath, one beat. Me livity flow. Me smoke, me chant, me feel Jah near. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay clear. Me flow like river, me rise like smoke. This livity real, it nah no joke. Every draw, me reason deep. Truth in a silence, roots run deep. Under the mango tree me sit and float. Meditation sweet like honey in throat. Me herb sacred, me mind fly far. Me reach places beyond the star. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Me chant till every illusion cease. Me no worry about the time or race. Me walk in iration, Jah give me grace. Burn the fire not just for smoke, but for awaken the ones who still provoke. Me not judge, me just live wise. Me see true lies with open eyes. Babylon can't cage this art. Me soul free from the very start. Me walk the line that prophets tread. Me reason with ancestors, not what's said. Me flow like a leaf on the riverbed. Me mind elevated, me spirit fed. Me no rush, me let life go. One with the earth, me livity flow. Me journey far, but me still near. Me carry Rasta word loud and clear. From hills of Zion to city lights, me shine me message in a darkest night. Me dreadlocks long like wisdom roots. Each twist carry ancient truths. Me no flex with vanity thing. Me crown full of life, not gold ring. Me no need mansion, me no want fame. Just a utter spliff and Jah name. Me family, me land, me little sound. Me grow from soil, me hold it down. Me give what me have, me share what me gain. Me livity pure like the morning rain. Rasta no boast, Rasta just live. Me give love, and love me give. Me dance pon the wind, me ride the breeze. Me chant till all Babylon freeze. Me live with roots, me live with soul. Me livity flow forever all. Me move with the moon and the sun above. Me walk in harmony, me walk in love. In every breath, Jah lights me way. Me livity flow each blessed day.
Na na na. Kingston haze in a me pocket, yeah man. Me sit on the rock, feel the earth below. Heartbeat Riddim from long time ago. Me close me eyes, chanting a trance. Hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa soil. Me soul ignite like ancient oil. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant Jah name till me meet death. Dub of the ancients rising a smoke. Rhythm so deep, it break the yoke. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me trod this path, me nah go hide. Every bass line is a prayer. Every echo say Jah is near. Thunder drum beat from midnight sky. Lightning flash when me spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who not ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fi teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind, so crystal clear. Me burn herb on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me talk with trees, me sit at ease. Every note a spell, every skank a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dub is storm, me heart is warm. Dub of the ancients, holy sound. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a seed. Me plant in a heart where people need. Dub come deep like morning mist. Heal your mind and clench your fist. chant for youth, for Jah control. Me eye red but me sight divine. Me smoke for Jah, me drink no wine. Me whole vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dubwise sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry touch, me burn the night. Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just fi entertain. Me chant fi purge your soul from pain. Me fear the echo, me voice still stare. Me ancient sound can't wash away.
Zion roots. Zion roots. Me walk the path of Jah's guidance. Me feel the peace, me feel the reliance. Through the struggles, me keep me stride. Me know Jah's love will never hide. Me trust in the future, me trust in the plan. Me know me purpose, me know the stand. Jah lead me steps, me walk with grace. Me know me place in this blessed space. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me know the road me walk is long, but with Jah's guidance, me grow strong. Through the storms and through the rain, me trust Jah's power, me feel no pain. Me trust in journey, me trust in the way. Me know Jah's love will guide me every day. Me see the beauty, me see the rise. Me feel the truth, me open me eyes. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me feel the power in every step. Me trust the journey, me no need fi fret. Me walk with Jah, me trust the way. Me know the love will carry me each day. Me walk in Jah's light, me see the way. Me trust the future, me trust the play. Jah's guidance, me follow the signs. Me feel the blessings, me walk in lines. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel the way. Me trust Jah's love, me rise each day.
Smoke and silence, God with me. Across the hills, across the sea, he made the empire man. Early dawn, the fire lit. Me roll a healing, me soul commit. One drop play, me spirit sway. Silence stuck in 1,000 way. Steam from cup, me mind feel clean. Me sight beyond what eyes have seen. Me no check phone, me check me breath. Me reason with life and dance with death. Smoke and silence blend like gold. In the breeze, me story told. One draw lift me far from stress.
let it flow. No rush, no war, no fight. Just love and herbs and morning light. Me life no flashy, but me free. Me eat title, live simply. No meat, no lie, no toxic sound. Me ground with earth, me soul stay sound. Me not a twist like roots them deep. Me dream with eyes, me walk in sleep. Me study stars, me chant alone. Me dwell in silence, build me home. Me now wait for man to validate. Me walk through fire with righteous faith. Me know the plan bring ancient key to open doors them hide from we. Me look in mirror, see me king. Me voice now scream but still it sing. Me nah rebel, me just aware. Me speak with love but still me there. Smoke and silence guide me way through darkest night and brightest day. A liquor spliff, a gentle hum. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. It's not escape, it's revelation. It's love through smoke and meditation. Me sit and breathe, me float so high. Me talk with Jah inside me sky. Me no bun weed just fi joke. It's how me reason when we're choke. Me see how Babylon confused, but me choose nature, me choose roots. Me no need no badge or flag, just ganja leaf in a humble bag. Me no need likes or fame on screen. Me need me peace, me keep it clean. Me born again each time me draw. Me write me psalms without the law. Me build me temple out a vibe. Me link with spirit, me soul revive. Rasta no preach, me live instead. Me keep it light, no heavy dread. Me show me youth another way. Feel live with truth each blessed day. Smoke and silence carry me across the hills, across the sea. Me sing for Jah, me praise with tone, but me strongest word is when me alone. Light up fire, inhale deep. Let go pain you try to keep. One love, one draw, one light. Zion echoes in the night. Sarat. Zion roots. Them try to cool the fire, but it still a burn. Them try to lock the light, but just sun return. Babylon system full of tricks and lies, but the righteous rise. We open we eyes. Them send them soldier, them pass them law. Them preach corruption, them hide the flaw. But truth can't hide and love can't dead. The people strong, we move ahead. Me see the youth them stand up tall. Them tired of the struggle, tired of the fall. Them want to live, them want to free. Them chant to Jah, eternity. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the day. The system weak, them can't hold we back. We step in light, we walk the track. Jah fire keep blazing, shine it bright. Through the darkness, through the fight. The lion roar, the drum them sound. We not back down, we stand for ground. Them pies in the food, them pies in the mind. Them try to keep we lost and blind. But knowledge rise, the people see. We take the path, we must be free. The ghetto cry, the street them cold. The leaders sell out them heart, them soul. But the warrior strong, the heart still pure. We hold the faith, we endure. We hear the drum, we hear the call. We see the writing upon the wall. Jah kingdom come, it soon reveal. The prophecy real, it can't conceal. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the Gun them sound, we not back down, we stand for ground. The wicked run when them hear the sound. The thunder roll, the rain come down, the trumpet blow, the battle near. We chant the psalms, we have no fear. We live with vice, we praise the King. We chant the song, the victory bring. The journey long, but we stay strong. The fire blaze, it can't be wrong. We come to teach, we come to show. The seed them plant, the love must grow. No more hatred, no more fight. Just righteousness, just Jah light. Them plan destruction, them deal in greed. Them plan corruption, them watch it breed.
Yeah man, give me this spliff. The rhythm a rebel, the bass a roar. We knock on Babylon door. No silence can mute this cry. Freedom chant till the day we die. Me rise up with the morning sun. Mission start can't be done. Them set trap in every lane, but Jah guide we through the pain. Me feel the heartbeat of the street. Each step mash down the seat. Them sell we plastic up in store, but we seek Jah love and more. We not bow to the false kings. We not dance to puppet strings. True deeper than any scheme. We hold fast to the Zion dream. For rhythm of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Rhythm of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Babylon tighten them control, but me people got soul. We read between the lines. If we see the traps and signs, we not just victims of the state. We architects of Jah fate. Them push poison in the air, but me people still a care. Roots deep in the dirt. From every struggle birth new worth. We not go silent, we not stop. We chant down every crooked cop. Them build walls but we build bridges. From valley low to mountain ridges. The rhythm beat like warrior drum. Call the masses, say freedom come. This music, it can't be chained. It flow like blood in every vein. Resistance live in every chord. A battle cry, feed the Lord. With rhythm of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Me say power to the roots crew. Jah light guide what we do. System collapse when truth unfold. Rebel heart strong and bold. We rewrite history with song. Show the youth where them belong. Freedom ink on every page. This rhythm a fuel the rage. From the shackles to the stage. My people rise out a cage. Nah surrender, nah retreat. We drum the message in the street. So keep it blazing, keep it raw. Rhythm of resistance evermore. Even when the night get cold, the fire in a we never hold. Zion call, we answer clear. Rhythm rise, them can't interfere. Unity in every beat. Rebel music, not accept defeat.
Selassie, I the Almighty Jah. Her body key, we unlock the heart. We say one Jah, two Jah, the vibes can't done. Real Rasta fire, brighter than the sun. With me, gorilla gloomy, I stick to Jah way.
nah go astray. The plant where Jah give, it a bless the land. So me hold a meditation, chalice in a me hand. Roll up the mango push, me feel so sweet. Herb are the power we make life complete. From the green ganja fields to the city lights. The herb bring peace, make the future bright. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide. The healing of the world make me feel alive. One puff, two puff, me spirit is sore. Babylon can't stop the herb, me say nevermore. Them call it illegal, but Jah call it pure. Ganja for the healing, the people's cure. Me light up the Jah carry me mind a elevate. Me sing Selassie, I the vibes can't let. The Babylon system a crumble it weak, but Rasta man strong with the herb we speak. Me say Jah know the plan for uplift mankind. With the ganja in a me palm, the truth me find. Fire burn Babylon, herbs still a grow. The green gold a shine, it a make Jah love show. From the mountain peaks to the valley low. The herb a for everyone, the vibes them glow. This your herb which Jah provide, it deeper than the sea, higher than the sky. Love it, respect it, blaze it with pride. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide.